The bearer of misfortune. Work at Emperor Akbar's palace began quite early in the morning. All the servants would wake up bright and early to make sure that the palace was spick and span, squeaky clean before the emperor woke up. One of the workers at the palace was despised and looked down upon the others. His name was Gulshan. He was a middle aged man who was known to be the bearer of bad luck. Anyone who saw his face in the morning was convinced that they would have a terrible day. Word about Gulshan's unlucky nature had spread far and wide. Even the emperor had heard murmurs. All the workers tried to avoid him as much as possible. But Gulshan didn't care. He would mind his business at all times. One day, Emperor Akbar woke up earlier than usual. He shouted, "Is someone there? I need my slippers." The emperor's words fell on only one pair of ears, and they happened to be Gulshan's. For Gulshan was the only one around at that early hour. He said to himself, "I don't want to be the first person that the emperor sees in the morning. But on the other hand, he needs assistance. Maybe I can redeem myself." He reluctantly went into the emperor's chambers and helped Akbar. When Akbar saw Gulshan, he immediately identified him as the unlucky man and asked him to send in other servants. Sometime later, one of Akbar's servants came running to him and said, "Jahanpana, Prince Khurram is very ill and has been crying for you." Akbar instantly rushed to the child's side and spent several hours with him until the fever subsided. But it wasn't the end of Emperor Akbar's troubles. He was about to go and have a late breakfast when one of his servants rushed to him and said, "Jahanpana, the Burmese ambassador has been awaiting an audience all morning." Emperor Akbar sighed and said, "I will be right there." After spending some time with the Burmese ambassador, the emperor finally bid him farewell. But at that very moment, one of his ministers reported a rebellion taking place in a remote part of the vast kingdom. "What? A rebellion? We must act immediately." The emperor decided to look into the matter personally. He consulted his clever ministers and commanders. They finally managed to disperse the rebellion. At the end of it, Akbar was extremely tired. "This has been a really difficult day. To top it all, I haven't even had anything to eat all day." The servants scurried to get the emperor a meal. As the emperor sat down to take a bite, he doubled down and screamed in pain. "Ah, ah, ah, ah." The emperor felt an excruciating pain in his stomach. He called for his physician immediately. The physician arrived and examined Akbar. After a thorough examination, he advised the king not to eat anything. Emperor Akbar agreed and decided to call it a day. When he was in bed, his idle thoughts decided to cloud his judgment. He began thinking, could it be possible that everything that happened today was because I saw Gulshan's face in the morning? It has to be. He is known to bring bad luck to anyone who sees his first face in the morning. While Akbar was thinking, he was also being tormented by pain, fatigue, and most importantly, hunger. Due to this, he made an irrational decision. He concluded that Gulshan was a threat to everyone and decided to execute him. The next day, the whole court was buzzing with this news. Many people were looking forward to this execution. "Good riddance," some said. Others shouted, "About time." While everyone was rejoicing, Birbal stood in the corner gloomily. He knew that the decision was not only unethical but also incorrect. Birbal took it upon himself to defend and save Gulshan. He went to Akbar and said to him, "Jahanpana, I would like to ask Gulshan a few questions if you don't mind." Akbar agreed and Gulshan was called in. Birbal began questioning him. So tell me, Gulshan, whom did you meet yesterday when you started your daily course in the morning? I met nobody, Huzur. There was no one around. Then whose face did you first see that morning? I saw Emperor Akbar, Huzur. Birbal then turned to Akbar and said to him, Jahanpana, you claim that the sight of this man was the reason for all your troubles yesterday. But what if he were to claim that the cause of this execution was because he saw your face first thing in the morning? There was silence in the entire court. Emperor Akbar thought about it and then said to Birbal, you are right, Birbal. I was only looking at it from my perspective. He then immediately asked for Gulshan to be released. Emperor Akbar then said, oh Birbal, once again you have saved me from making a rash decision. How can I ever repay you? Birbal smiled and replied, well, your majesty, you can start by being well fed all day, please.